Good morning, everyone. Guess what? We're not on this trip this time. We're actually at the Pacific Ocean in California. We're on a little street called Santa Claus Lane. We're getting ready to have a hamburger. We're here this weekend to explore a little bit of the coast of California, at least the southern part of the coast down to Ventura. So this adventure starts right now. All right, we got our dinner, our lunch. I got a hamburger without a bun, and Paula got an avocado burger, it looks like.
Yeah, it's California burger. It looks
California
great.
burger and a little french fries.
And then what's out there?
And then there's the view.
Not bad, huh?
So we just finished a great lunch here at Padero Beach Grill in Carpinteria, California, and we're on to Santa Barbara next. I think we're going to explore the beach, check out the pier, see some of State Street area. So this journey begins momentarily. Wait, no, that's not it. This excursion commences next.
Instead of, no, you got it wrong. Come on.
This adventure starts right now.
Oh, wow. That's a catchy phrase. Did you just make that up?
I have it on a t-shirt.
In the 16th century, Portuguese and Spanish explorers sailed into this area and christened it Santa Barbara. Santa Barbara, on the central coast of California. If we had to pick one perfect spot to escape the heat of Las Vegas on a sunny Saturday in August, this is it. Santa Barbara is nicknamed the American Riviera, and no wonder. The town sits on a gentle south-facing crescent of the ocean, right up against the majestic Santa Ynez Mountains, and has a perfect Mediterranean climate. State Street is a beautiful palm tree-lined avenue leading through downtown and right out to Stearns Wharf on the water. It is perfect for walking, and you will be surrounded on all sides by beautiful architecture, shops, boutiques, art galleries, and dining options, many of them spilling into the outdoors. Late 18th century, missionaries arrived and built the Presidio and the Santa Barbara Mission. The mission was the 10th in a series to be built by the Franciscans up and down the coast. Here's a little known fact. California's first major movie studio, the Flying A Studios, was located in Santa Barbara and pumped out hundreds of silent films in the 1920s. This studio was said to be as good or better than any in Los Angeles.
It's almost 3:45 on a Saturday afternoon, and we are walking on Stearns Wharf.
Stearns Wharf is the oldest working wharf in the state of California, built in 1872. When it was completed, it became the longest deep water pier between LA and San Francisco. In its heyday, the wharf served passenger and freight shipping needs of California's south coast.
It's a calm, beautiful day today. Look at all these lucky people on their boats.
Today, visitors can walk the wharf and enjoy shops, restaurants, and museums. When the Harbor Restaurant was built on the wharf in 1941, that signaled the end of the shipping era. Stearns Wharf was the victim of several natural disasters that required rebuilding, but here it remains almost 150 years later. Center first opened in 1986. After many successful years, an opportunity became available to expand, and the center reopened in 2005 at a cost of $6.5 million. Santa Barbara as a destination has so much to offer, we can't recommend it enough. But we are desert dwellers, and we were drawn to the wharf, the beach, and the water. It is a spectacular setting.
We're walking back off the pier now. I think we're going to go get ourselves a cabana. And Scott has his drone, and I think we're going to try to get some drone footage up here if we can.
Or that last cabana end over there. Completely open. Right now. Just looking to tour it or just like. If we could rent it for just an hour, just hang out for an hour. Yeah, definitely.
All right, this is our cabana.
Yeah, other
for the four of us.
It is nice.
For an hour. And there's the Pacific Ocean.
Rocks for me. Oh. Oh, how cute. Thank you.
Have a
Plus,
nice
we
day.
have a little patch of shade. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's going to do it from Santa Barbara. What did you think, Paula?
I had a great day. It was really wonderful being by the water. Love the ocean. Love the beach. Love being with the kids. It's really been a terrific
A lot
day.
different than the desert, right?
Yeah, I don't think it ever topped 80 degrees.
Let
It's
me ask
wonderful.
you, did we not need to get out of the desert for a while?
We did.
We did, absolutely.
This is very welcome. We're loving it.
And we had a great lunch.
We did. Down at Padero Beach Grill in Carpinteria.
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
It was terrific, and Scott was our chauffeur, and Kristen, she's our producer, and we just had a great time today, didn't we?
Yeah, we are actually loving it.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are subscribed, please hit that notification button, and they'll tell you when our next video is.
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't.
Yes,
And also
please do.
down in the description box, we've got links to Instagram and Facebook. Join us.
Yeah, I hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.